I'm going to be showing you how to create an account in forex.com. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is select a browser where you can use forex.com. I'm just going to be using Google Chrome. So once you're in the Google Chrome, you just need to type for forex.com or just search forex first. So the first website that appears right over here, it says forex.com right there. Just go ahead and tap here and wait for it to load, and you can see this intel right there. So you have multiple options for logging in, creating a demo account, opening an actual account, and many more. Since we're trying to create a new account, you just need to look here at open an account. Just go ahead and tap here and you would be led to this. Just enter your email address. After you've entered your email, just tap on next and create a password and tap on sign up now and tap on this option right here that says let's begin. So you need to select a platform. You have options like forex.com, MetaTrader 5 and MetaTrader 4. Tap on forex.com and tap on next. Select a pricing model. So it says that the most popular is spread only. You also have raw pricing right here. So it's completely up to you which you want to choose. I'm just going to select spread only. Now you need to provide your social security number, your phone number, and after you've completed all these steps, you would successfully be able to create a forex.com account. So there you go. That's how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.